Welcome back to Future Tech Feed, everyone. I'm Chris, your resident tech nerd, and as always, I'm joined by the brilliant Lily, our tech guru extraordinaire.
Hey, Chris, and hey, listeners. It's great to be back with you all, diving into the ever evolving world of technology.
And evolving it is. Lily, today we're talking about some fascinating developments in the AI space. Specifically, tackling those pesky AI hallucinations and the rise of incredibly realistic AI voices.
Exactly. Let's start with those hallucinations. For those unfamiliar, this is when AI, particularly large language models like Google's Gemini or OpenAI's ChatGPT, confidently presents information that's just plain wrong, like claiming a historical event happened on the wrong date, or inventing a scientific study that never existed.
Yeah, it's kind of like AI having its own little fantasy world, which can be pretty concerning, especially if people are relying on it for accurate information.
Absolutely. That's why Google is working on something called DataGemma, these open source AI models designed to ground LLMs in real world data. They're using Google's Data Commons, a massive database of facts and figures from trusted sources like the UN and the WHO.
So it's like giving the AI a fact checker built right in?
Precisely. There are two main approaches they're using: RIG, which basically means the AI double checks its answers against data commons before spitting them out, and RAG, which feeds the AI relevant context from data commons before it even starts answering the question.
That sounds promising. Any idea how well it's working?
Early results are encouraging. Google's research shows that it definitely improves accuracy, especially when dealing with numbers and facts. And hopefully, this will lead to fewer AI hallucinations across the board, whether you're using it for research, decision-making, or just satisfying your curiosity.
All right, let's switch gears and talk about those human-like voices. I've been playing around with Google's Gemini Live, and I'm blown away by how natural it sounds.
Yeah, Gemini Live is getting a lot of buzz. It's Google's voice-based chatbot now available for free on Android. You can literally have a conversation with it, ask it questions, and even interrupt it mid-sentence.
And it's not just Gemini. There's another company called Hume AI that just released EVI2, their voice-to-voice foundation model. They're focused on making these AI voices not just realistic, but emotionally intelligent.
That's really interesting. Hume's approach is about making the AI anticipate your preferences and adapt its voice and personality accordingly. They say it can even emulate different accents and speaking styles.
I can see this technology having huge implications for everything from customer service to entertainment. Imagine interacting with a virtual assistant that actually feels like you're talking to a real person.
Or creating immersive video games with characters that have unique and believable personalities. The possibilities are endless, but of course there are ethical considerations to address as well.
For sure. Voice cloning, for instance, could be misused for impersonation or fraud. It's important that companies like Hume and Google are thinking carefully about these issues.
Absolutely. As with any powerful technology, responsible development and deployment are crucial.
Well, it's clear that AI is rapidly evolving. And these are just a couple of examples of the exciting and sometimes unsettling thus advancements we're seeing.
That's right, Chris. It's an exciting time to be following the tech world, and we'll be here to keep you updated on all the latest developments.
Thanks for joining us, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to Future Tech Feed for more insights into the future of technology.